Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Since you all love the flower so much, I know everyone is having, everyone is having a hard time finding these baking cups from Walmart. I did post Joann's, carry some, the yellow, the pink. No one seems to have the mixed colors. They're kind of a little pricey on Amazon too. So if you can't get them, I have come up with another idea. Okay, I bought these at Walmart, or not Walmart, at Hobby Lobby the other day. These are baking cups, and they look like this. They're kind of smushed in the package. I got blue, purple, and pink. These are not as hard as the other ones that we used, but I'm going to show you what I came up with because I don't want everybody not to be able to make the flower. So I came up with another flower, and I'm going to show you. Look, here's the pink. How pretty is this flower? Here's the pink. Here's purple. And I used the little ponytail things from the Dollar Tree. I gotta go get more before everybody buys them all. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your cupcake liners, or baking cups, I should say. You get 24 in a pack. So one package will make 12 flowers because you're gonna use 2 per flower. Now, you're gonna wanna cut. See in between the green here? You are gonna wanna just cut in between that green. You're not going to want to go past that green. So just cut down the middle. Some of them aren't printed correctly. But we're going to make do. So you're going to cut in between there. Right in between the green. All the way around. Oh, I did that one already. Okay, so you end up with this. Now, you're going to need to cut one in between one of them down to the solid green in the center there, where the bottom of your baking cup is. And you're going to want to cut that green out. Don't cut the leaves. Just cut that green circle out. This one is like really not printed right. Okay. So you end up with this. You end up with this. Now you're going to need to do it to the second one. I should have did one before I came on. I usually squish it out a little bit. Let's see. It'll only take a second to... I guess they're like the leaf part of the inside of the flower, that greenery. So you cut in between those. And then you're going to cut down to the middle of your cupcake. To the bottom of your cupcake. We're going to trim that middle piece out. Okay, so now I have 2 of these. Then I took a 2-inch circle. I'm not sure where I got these. I think it might be Michael's. I don't know. I'm going to run when I'm done here. This is pre-recorded, guys. I'm going to run when I'm done here and go get some more 2-inch circles. This is 2-inch by 1/4-inch circles. And these might be from Michael's. I'm not sure if they're Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I had them in my stash. All right, we are going to want to glue this wrapper around this circle. So you are going to add hot glue at the edge of the circle. I only do a little bit at a time. And you are going to want to start gluing down your petals. Okay, see how that looks? You could see where my circle, the end of my circle is. Okay, you're going to go around. Now, some of them you may end up just squishing together a little bit to make it go around, and that's okay. That one, I think I need a trim. It wasn't printed right. Okay. I don't like the look of that petal. I need to cut one of those little blue things off. I didn't like the look of that petal. You can fix these if you want, like round them off, because some of them have like a weird little point on the end. Okay. All right, there is my first one glued to my wooden circle. Now, for the second one, you are going to add, I didn't glue perfect around, you see. It didn't. This one was printed so weird. It's glued in the right spot, but it's printed really weird. Okay, so I am going to start where it was printed right, where my green isn't so far in. I am going to add hot glue just in front of that green. And then you are going to start gluing your petals down. Start your first petal in between two of your other petals. I'll show you in 1 second here. And you may have to crinkle the bottom up a little bit to keep your petals in between the other two. Okay, so see how I started? Let me see where I started. See how I started? And it's in between these two petals. So you may end up just crinkling the bottom up a little bit to stay in between two petals. And then you are going to glue around. Now, I'm going to have to go on the green with that one for with my glue because it's not printed right. And I'm getting glue on my fingers. So you may have to squish them a little bit to get them in between. Oh, I need another glue stick. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. That one's got to go over a little bit before it dries. Okay. This I need to clip a little bit. If it doesn't look right, just clip down a little bit because that one was too big. So I just clipped a little blue piece off. Okay. There is your two petals glued on. How simple is that, right? Okay, now you can bend these up a little bit. Bend these up a little bit. My bottom, I kind of just squish with my hand up a little. I just squish up a little bit with my hand. I kind of pull these forward. See, now that one looks a little too big to me too. So I'm just going to cut a little piece off. Okay. I got stringies. All right. There is my flower. Now, you're just going to want to add a center. And I got to see what color I want. Oh, this one got a big string hanging. Let's see if I should do the blue. Blue kind of really blends in, but it is pretty. Let's see the white. No, I like the blue. I like the blue one. Okay, so I'm just going to add hot glue to the center. I always keep forgetting about my little glue holder here. And I am gluing my ponytail tie in there. You can play with your petals to get them to stand nice. This one, I'm kind of pushing them forward a little bit. Okay. How cute. Is this not cute, guys? I think it's so pretty. Okay, for a hanger, since these aren't as strong, well, these aren't as hard as the other baking cups. So I didn't want to put my thread through the petal. So what I did was took my fishing line and I cut a 12-inch piece. I'm going to cut a 12-inch piece. I'm going to fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half. Now, I'm going to want this to hang, so I got to see. All right, so see where you want your hanger to go. I'm going to do mine behind this petal here. So I flip it over, and I am going to add some hot glue down the back of that of my wood piece there. And then I am just going to lay my hanger on there, my fishing line. I'm going to hold it down for a minute. My glue gun's so hot, it's probably going to take a minute to dry. I'm going to let that sit there a second. Okay, but I am so loving these. Look how pretty this is. Again, there's the purple. Here's the pink. Here's the blue. Now, I went online last night and ordered a curbside pickup from Joann's. And I think I ordered some of these. I'm not sure what colors. I can't remember. But I got the yellow and the pink in these ones. Because I want to make a couple more. Because you only get 6 out of that box. These, you're going to get 12 flowers out of one package. And again, these are from Hobby Lobby. And I bought them last week. So they were 30% off of this. $1.99 for 24 cups. But $1.99 isn't bad either. But last week they were 30% off. And 2-inch wood circles. And this is a 1/4-inch circle. I don't even think it needs to be 1/4 inch. But this is what I had in my stash. But a 2-inch circle. Okay, guys. That is it. Let's see if this is good now. Okay, that's good now. How cute. Okay, guys. So if you can't find these baking cups, get these pretty flowered ones. There's no name on them of what kind of flower it is. It kind of looks like a tulip to me. I'm not sure, but check these out. Okay, I got to run and get supplies because if you like this video and you decorate the page with your friends, I am going to go get some of these. And I am going to pick 2 winners on Friday. And I'm going to divvy this up. So you'll get 12 of each color. And then I got to go get some. I got to go get some more hair ties. And I'll throw in the hair ties with it. Okay. And I'll see if I can find 2-inch circles. I'll have to see. But, okay. Thanks for joining me, guys. This is pre-recorded. I am not live. But I just want to give you an alternative if you cannot find those baking cups, because I am also in love with these. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks. Bye.